Hello friends, this video is created by Siddharth Upadhyay, founder and creator of PrepWings. Log on to www.prepwings.com for complete free course videos. Okay, in this video we'll talk about median. So median of a set of numbers is the middlemost number for the set. Okay, let the number of elements in a set be n. When n is odd, we follow these two steps to find the median. Step 1 says arrange the number of the set in ascending order. Okay. After that, median will be equal to n plus 1 by 2th term of the set. Okay. We'll look at an example now. Suppose set A is given as 1, 7, 4, 9 and 2. Here the number of elements in set A is 5. So n is equal to 5. Thus n is odd. Okay. Now we'll do step 1 first. Arrange the elements of set A in ascending order. Set A will then become 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. Okay. Now as n is odd, median will be equal to n plus 1 by 2th term, and n is 5 here. So putting n equal to 5, we get median equal to 5 plus 1 by 2, which is 3. So median is the third term. So median is the third term of the set. Okay, first of all, just keep this in mind. Median is not equal to 3. Median is the third term of the set. Okay, now if I look at the set 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. 4 is the third term for the set. Okay, so median for the set is equal to 4. Okay, so this is how we find the median when the number of elements in a set is odd. Okay, now we will look when the number of elements in a set is even. So that means when n is even. Okay. So if n is even, the median is calculated using the following steps. In step 1, arrange the numbers of the set in ascending order. This is the same case when we did when n was odd. Okay. So step 1 is same when n is even or n is odd. We have to arrange the numbers of the set in ascending order. Okay. So when n is even, in that case, median is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. Okay. We look at an example to understand this. For example, set B is 6, minus 4, 0 and 4. So here there are 4 elements. So 4 elements, that means n is equal to 4, which is even. Okay. So the number of elements is even here. So we'll follow the first step. We'll arrange the numbers of the set in ascending order. So set B will become minus 4, 0, 4 and 6. Okay. Now we'll apply the step 2 to find the median. So n by 2th term, n is 4 here. N by 2th term is the second term, which is 4 by 2th. So it is the second term. So in set B minus 4, 0, 4 and 6, the second term is 0. Then n by 2 plus 1th term, that means 2 plus 1, third term. Third term of the set is 4 here, minus 4, 0, 4 and 6. Third term is 4. So the second term is 0 and the third term is 4. So median will be equal to 0 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, which is 4 divided by 2, which equals 2. Okay, so median of set B over here is equal to 2. Okay, so this is how we find the median when the number of elements in a set is even. Okay, we'll look at an example now. The question says the data about the number of households and the number of mobile phones per home is given over here. So if you look at this table, the first column gives me number of households and the second column gives me number of mobile phones per home. Okay, we have to find the median number of mobile phones per home. This is the question. Now this is the data shown over here. What this data means is there are 5 households which have 1 mobile phone. Then there are 11 households that have 2 mobile phones. Then there are 21 households having 3 mobile phones and 8 households having 4 mobile phones. Okay. Now what we have is the total number of households to be 45. Okay, and that is the number of elements in the set. Thus n equal to 45 and n is odd. So median will be 45 plus 1 by 2th term, which is the 23rd term. Okay. Now we look at the table again. Now we need to find the 23rd term in through this table. So now if you look at the data clearly, we'll get 5 ones in the set because 5 households have 1 mobile phones. So the set will be like 1 1 1 1 1 5 times. Then 2 2 2 2 2 11 times. Then 3 3 3 3 3 21 times. And then 4 4 4 4 4 8 times. This is how the set is. And I need to find the 23rd term over here. Okay. So the first 5 terms are 1. The next 11 terms will be 2. Okay. So that means 16 terms are over and all the 2's have been done with. Now from 17th term there will be 21 terms having 3. So the 23rd term will be 3 only because the 17th term is 3, 18th term is 3, 19th is 3, 20th is 3, 21st is 3, 22nd is 3, 23rd is also 3, 24th will also be 3, and so on till I have to go on till 21 terms. Okay, and at the end there will be 8 terms with 4. So the 23rd term in the set is 3. So which is the median? Okay, thus the median number of mobile phones per home will be equal to 3. Okay, so this is how we solve the question of median. So this is all about median. Thanks a lot for watching this video.